Hey y'all, welcome to Ryan's MTB. Just starting this YouTube channel now. Today I'd actually like to start with the X-Tools folding repair stand. I just bought one of these. I have a giant trance that I'm going to start working on rebuilding, just doing an overhaul this winter. I didn't have a work stand, so today I'm just going to unbox I got from Chain Reaction Cycles. That's an X-Tools bike repair stand. They have several different models available. I wasn't sure what I was going to get with the X-Tools. Not the most well-known brand, but let's see what we got here. Get the plastic done. So far, I gotta say I'm kind of impressed. It seems kind of heavy. Not too shabby. What we have here is just kind of a tarp, a workshop mat. It's kind of just a nice added feature. But yeah, this thing seems kind of heavy. See if we can't get it figured out here. Yeah, I was figuring something really kind of flimsy. I paid about $60 for the mat and the stand. So it's got some quick release skewers. One here. One here. But yeah, this is looks like I don't know if it's an aluminum wall or just a really lightweight steel. Probably steel. But yeah, it's probably about 1.5 inches, 1 3/4 inches in diameter. Pretty heavy stand. Let's see if we can't figure this out. Locks into place. This skewer rotates. I gotta say, first look, I am way impressed with this. We'll have to give it a shot and see what we come up with. Yeah, but for a first look and right out of the box, very most impressive. But anyways, pay attention to me. Hope you like my channel. Like I say, I'll be doing an overhaul on my giant trance this winter. Stick around, kind of watch that. And then I'd also probably going to build some kids' bikes this winter too. Nothing too fancy, but hope to have you subscribe. And I got some big things planned in the future. This is the very, very start. I know this probably isn't going to be the best video, but we'll see what we come up with. Thank you.